Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk on Hofmann rearrangement or reactions. The rearrangement which converts an amide to an amine with one carbon atom less by the action of alkaline hypohalite or bromine in alkali is known as Hofmann rearrangement or reactions. Amide which do not have a substitutions on the nitrogen display molecular rearrangement to primary elements. In this rearrangement, the carbonyl carbon atom of the amide is lost and the R group of amide gets attached to the nitrogen of the amine. So the reaction is as follow: an amide Br2 sodium hydroxide water, it gives 1 degree amine, sodium bromide, sodium carbonate and water. So Hofmann rearrangement mechanism, the reaction is believed to process through the following steps. Step first, bromination of nitrogen. Steps 2, extraction of H plus by OH minus and arrangement of anion. And step 3, hydrolysis. You can see here an amide react with Br2 forming N-bromamide, then OH minus formed bromamide anion which is unstable, and then is converting acyl nitrene electron deficient, and then rearrangement and forming isocyanate, actual rearrangement. Now isocyanate react with water and forming 1 degree amines, and this carbon which is less is removed in form of carbonate ions. The Hofmann rearrangement involves a 1-2 shift of groups with its electron pair to an electron deficient nitrogen. Now stereochemistry. An interesting stereochemical behavior is that if the migrating group R is chiral, its configuration is retained in the product amide. Thus this rearrangement is intramolecular. The migrations group does not become free but remains attached with the substrate in some way, example via bridge transition state. That the rearrangement is intramolecular has been supported by the following evidence. When the HR is carried out with mixture of meta-deuteratobenzamide and benzamide only, meta-deuteraaniline and aniline are formed. This shows that the rearrangement is intramolecular. If it is intermolecular, then cross products such as aniline and meta-deuteroaniline are formed. You can see here meta-deuterobenzamide and benzamide react with HR forming intramolecular meta-deuteroaniline and aniline, and intermolecular cross product not formed. In second, when optically active alpha phenyl propionamide undergoes HR, then alpha phenyl ethyl amine having the same configuration is formed. You can see here alpha phenyl propionamide react with Br2 and KOH, it gives alpha phenyl ethyl amine. The rate of Hofmann reactions. In Hofmann rearrangement, N-bromamide rearranges to isocyanate is one step with a loss of bromide ion. This is a slow step. Further, in aryl amide, that is when the migrating group is aryl, then the rate of Hofmann reaction gets increased by presence of electron releasing substituents in the aromatic group. For example, in the case of substituted benzamide, as you can see, so the reactivity of G is of the following order: OCH3 greater than CH3, greater than H, greater than Cl, and greater than NO2. Applications: synthesis of 1° aliphatic aromatic amine, preparation of aldehydes, and in the preparation of ethranilic acid from thaliamides. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. So you can see these reactions: preparation of methylamine, aniline, benzylamine. You see CH3CONH2, CH2, CH3NH2, and C6H5CONH2, C6H5NH2, and urea converted to hydrazines. Now preparation of beta-aminopyridine. It is prepared from the nicotinamide because it cannot be produced in good yield via the nitrations of pyridine. Preparation of alpha amino acid, beta-alanine is prepared 45% yield by treating succinamide with bromine and aqueous caustic potash. Reaction takes place through the alloamide of succinic acid. So this is succinimide and it gave beta-alanine. Synthesis of ethranilic acid. Ethranilic acid is basic starting material for preparations of ortho disubstituted benzene derivative. This is phthalic anhydride. Thaliamides react with Cl2 sodium hydroxide given CONH2, and then this is the ethranilic acid. So preparations of aldehyde, Hofmann reaction is used to convert alpha beta unsaturated acid and alpha hydroxy acid amide into aldehyde. You can see here forming aldehydes. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.